Exercise 3.3, question number 1. Guys, be ready. So, question number 1 says sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 plus, minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus half. So, we have to prove this thing. We have to prove this thing. Can anybody tell me? Acha, how will I do this one? So first thing we know that sine square x is nothing but sine x whole square. Sine square x is nothing but sine x whole square. So tell me, what is the value of sine pi by 6? What is the value of sine pi by 6? Nobody knows. Sine pi by 6, what is the value? Pi by 6 means what? 30 degree, right? And pi means 180 degree. It's 30 degree. Yes, 1 by 2. Let me write like this. So tan pi by 4 whole square. So basically this is what? 1 by 2 whole square plus. Acha, cos the pi by 3 is what? What is the value of cos pi by 3, guys? Come on, tell me fast. I asked what is the value of cos pi by 3. I haven't asked what is pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is what? It is half. It is 1 by 2 again. Acha, last one. What is the value of tan pi by 4? Tan pi by 4 is how much? What is the value of tan pi by 4? Low. Pi by 4 is how much? Very good. Yes. Pi means what? 180 degrees. So pi by 4 is how much? It's 45 degree. So tan 45 is what? 1. Yes. So how much we get? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. So how much is it coming? So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is half minus 1. So the answer is minus half. So that is my right hand side. Yes or no? Am I clear? Achha, let's do another problem. Question number let's do question number 2. Guys, one thing, I think you guys should talk to father. Oi, what I'm saying, listen to me. About increasing the number of classes, because we are hardly getting any classes, right? In a week, 2 classes, is it enough? Huh? So I think we should talk to father about it. Okay? The vice principal. Acha, let's do this one. 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square pi 3 5 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. So let us solve this one. So again, left hand side. So it will be 2 sine pi by 6 whole square plus cosec 7 pi by 6 whole square plus, sorry, not plus, it is cos pi by 3 whole square. So let us do this one. Acha, sine pi by 6 is how much? So sine 30, again the same thing. That is half. Let me write that thing. Yes, 1 by 2. Now we have the next one is a problem. What is the value of cos pi by 6? Cosec pi by 6, 7 pi by 6. Are you sure? Let's see. Somebody said 2. Let's see whether he's correct or not. So cosec, how can I write this one 7 pi by 6? Can I write pi plus pi by 6? Can I write this one as pi plus pi by 6? You see 6 plus pi is 7 pi by 6, right? Yes or no? And cosec, I can write 1 by sine pi plus pi by 6 because cosec is difficult. So let us convert it into sine. So you see, it is sine pi plus pi by 6. Now pi means what? 180 degree. Pi means 180 degree. So sine will remain sine. Pi means 180 degree. Sine will remain sine. Now tell me, pi plus pi by 6, which quadrant does it lie? Pi plus pi by 6, which quadrant does it lie? Think hard and tell me. Pi plus pi by 6, which quadrant does it lie? Huh? It is more than 180, more than 180. So which quadrant? This is your 90 degree. This complete thing is your 180 degree. And if it is more than 180, obviously it will lie in third quadrant. Yes or no? Now tell me, uh, if it is more than 180, acha, in third quadrant, is sign is positive or negative? In third quadrant, negative. Please revise, guys. So I get sine pi by 6. And sine pi by 6 is what? Half. So 1 divided by minus half. So this 2 will go over up. So I get minus 2. So somebody said 2. That is wrong. The answer is minus 2. Okay. So it is minus 2 whole square. And cos pi by 3, we already know cos pi by 3 is cos 60. That is also half. So how much we get? So how much we get? So let me write here. So 2 into 1 by 4 plus this is 4 into 1 by 4. So this cut, this cut. So you get 1 by 2 plus 1 and that is your 3 by 2. That's my right hand side. Acha, question number 3 is homework. Let's do question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is your 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4. You know one thing, guys. 3 chapters have been removed from your syllabus. Do you know or you don't know? Acha, let's do this one. Forget about it. I will tell you the syllabus breakup later on. Acha, look at here. First thing, again we have to do left hand side. So LHS is equal to what? It is 2 sine 3 pi by 4 whole square plus 2 cos pi by 4 whole square plus 2 sec pi by 3 whole square. Yes. Acha, tell me, what is the value of sine 3 pi by 4? Sine 3 pi by 4. How should I find this one? Acha, somebody is saying 1 by root 2. Let us see whether he is correct or not. Acha, first thing, how will I write this one? Can I write this one as 4 pi minus pi by 4? So this becomes what? Sine pi minus pi by 4. Now tell me, this is again pi. This is again pi. Pi means what? 180 degree, even multiple. So sine will become sine. And 180 minus pi by 4 lies in which quadrant? 180 minus pi by 4. It lies in second quadrant. Very good. And in second quadrant, sine is positive or negative? In second quadrant, positive. All sine, tan, cos. So I get sine pi by 4. Yes, that's correct. Whoever said 1 by root 2, very good. 1 by root 2 whole square plus. Have you guessed it or you just said it? Achha, why? What I have done in here? My God, what is this? It will be like this: cos pi by 4 whole square. So this is again cos pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2 plus 2. Oi, achha, who can tell me what is sec pi by 3? Sec pi by 3 is how much? Sec pi by 3 is how much? Sec pi by 3. Achha, sec is opposite of cos. So cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So sine will be what? 2. Okay, clear? So let me do it. So 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus this one is 4 and 2, that is 8. This cancel, this is the cancel. So 1 plus 1 plus 8, that is 10. That's it. Am I clear, everyone? Acha. For question number 5, I need help from you guys for question number 5. Let's see who can help me for question number 5. Sine 75 degree. Come on. So tell me this one, guys. How will I solve this one? Come on. I'm sorry, I have to go somewhere. How will I solve this one? Sine 75. 90? 90 minus what? 90 minus x. From where you are getting x? They have told you to find the value of sine 75. There is no x in here. Acha, somebody is getting 90 minus what? Everyone is stuck with 90. 90 minus. Acha, fine. I will give you a hint. I will give you a hint. The hint is that I have to use these formulas: sin x plus y and sin x minus y. I have to use these formulas to find the value of that thing. Let's see who can tell me now. 90 minus 15. Do you know the? Acha, very good. That's absolutely wrong. You know the value of sine 90, but do you know the value of sine 15? Do you know the value of sine 15? Then how can you use 90 minus 15? So I will use those angles whose value we can find, whose values we know. So tell me now, sine 75. It's so easy. How can I break it into two angles whose angle values I know? Sine of those angle values I know. Sine 45 plus 30. Yes or no? Yes. Then you apply that formula. So it is what? Sin x plus y. What is the formula? It is sin x cos y. Sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sin 30. This is the formula, right? Now just put all those values. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2. And sin 30 is 1 by 2. So how much we get? So it is root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So we get what? Root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Everyone, yes or no? Acha, last one. Let us do the last one. Tan 15. Tell me, how will I write tan 15? How will I write tan 15? Think and tell me. By using these two formulas, tan x plus y or tan x minus y. How will I write 15 as? Yeah, it's what? 90 minus? Acha, somebody says 90 minus 75. Acha, somebody says 45 minus 45 minus 45 minus 30. Yes, this is correct. Look, this is also okay. Yes, very good. This is also okay, but this will be very lengthy. Again, you're going to 75 again. What's the reason? I will just do sine 45 minus 30. A tan 45 minus 30. That's easy. This is it. I know both of them. Now tell me, what is the formula? Formula is what? Tan x minus y. What is the formula of tan x minus y? Jaldi. It is tan x tan y. That is, sorry, no, I'm writing tan x. Tan 45 minus tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan 45 tan 30. Yes or no? Yes or no? So tan 45 is what? 1. And tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. Divide by 1 plus, acha, 1 into 1 by root 3. So how much we get? 1 minus 1 by root 3. Divide by 1 plus 1 by root 3. So this is what we have, right? So let us multiply root 3 up and down. So we get root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. This is what we have, right? Yes or no? Now we have to you have to rationalize the denominator. So rationalize the denominator. How will I rationalize? So I write root 3 minus 1, this one, multiplied by root 3. Yes.